Say goodbye to water spots and streaks with the 550-watt electric dryer plus inflator by ATJ. The secret of professional auto detailers and an essential tool for any car owner. The highly concentrated stream of air expels water and dries hard-to-reach areas on your car, truck, motorcycle, and RV for that streak-free showroom shine. Perfect for both car and home. ATJ's powerful 550-watt motor is simple and easy to use, with 2 speed settings to blast away dirt, dust, and debris, and quickly dry damp surfaces. Able to inflate a twin air mattress in just 30 seconds, ATJ also includes a reusable sponge filter, 10-foot power cord, and 9-piece accessory kit to quickly remove dust from window blinds, appliances, keyboards, electronics, on auto dashboards, cup holders, and consoles. Plus, the 550-watt dryer plus inflator comes with ATJ's complete 2-year warranty for worry-free performance you can count on. So dry your vehicle like a pro and go with Joe, the 550-watt electric dryer plus inflator from ATJ. Get equipped.